I'm doing this video to make an appeal to YouTube. My channel has been denied monetization, and they keep telling me that there's someone content. I make use of someone content. Well, I just want YouTube to go through my channel, because everything in that channel, every video, every content in my channel was basically done by me. The name of my YouTube channel is The Hilarious Production, and as you can see, visually everything is being managed by me. The videos there are done by me. I shot and directed most of those videos, almost all. They are my original content. There is no copyright content. I don't copy anybody's video. I do my videos by myself. I make use of my cameras. This is a Lumix GH4. I bought it, and sometimes I make use of my iPhone, the phone I'm using now to do this recording. I shoot with my iPhone. Shoot with iPhone 11 Pro. I shoot with iPhone 8. I also shoot and edit my content by myself. Sometimes I make use of my laptop. I make use of my laptop to edit my Adobe. I make use of Adobe software, Premiere Pro, Adobe 2020. Sometimes I use 2019, even my After Effects. I make use of Adobe, or I can still edit with my phone. I can still use InShot in my phone to edit. I make do of what I have. I don't go elsewhere. I don't do anywhere. I didn't collect any clip from anybody. They are all my original content. Please, I would like YouTube to kindly review my channel for monetization. YouTube should take time and go through my channel. They should take time and review my channel, because I think they are really making a mistake. If you go through the videos in that channel, you see that they are my original contents. They were done and shot by me. Please, YouTube should review my channel very well, because I think they're making the mistakes. Because most of those videos there, I write down the script. I call people to come together and we shoot. I call friends, I call colleagues, I call families to come together. I shoot, I act. Sometimes when I'm acting, one of my friends can video. I can tell you everything about the videos in this channel. Please, from the Jungle Mafians that talks about 3 friends who fall out. If you check the trailer, you see they started fighting each other, but as time goes on, they will resolve. Or to the egg thieves, talks about boys that stole egg and they brought them out for confession. You talk about the abduction of child abduction, trying to preach against child abuse and adoption. See different group who adopted a child looking for ransom. Where a policeman and the prophet came in. I do act as prophet at times. You can see me and my colleague. To the how to settle extraordinary battles. I was still there. Please, I want you to review my channel. The only place you can see these videos are in the order of my channel, The Hilarious Comedy. But right now I can tell you, if you go over there, you can't find these videos because I have deleted them because of this. Please, YouTube should please review my channel again. And even those videos, before I deleted them, if you can see that, you will see the name of the productions, because they are partners. You can still see my production name, The Hilarious Production. You can still see The Hilarious Comedy, because it's the joint production. You understand? The names of the different bodies that come together to shoot it is still there. Please, YouTube should try and go through it. Every video there is done and shot by me. Please, thank you. I really appreciate